Hello everyone, this is my second video on the topic of out-of-sequence activities. Out-of-sequence activities are those activities that are not progressing as per our original plan and logic described in baseline program. So as we see that this when the project executed and when we update the program, then this phenomenon happen which affect the project completion dates and cause this sort of out-of-sequence activities sometimes give us wrong impression regarding the project completion. So first we see how can we determine these auto sequence activities. So auto sequence activities are only or always generated in the updated program. So this is my one of the updated program, which is 17 August, and our baseline start date is in July. So it means that this program is updated program. So let's the easiest way to determine that the program has auto sequence activities, yes or no. We are going to check the schedule log. So schedule log, to open the schedule log, just press F9. Once we press F9, the schedule dialog box open. So once you have the schedule dialog box open, make sure that you check off the log to file box. In this way, whenever you run the program, a log file is generated and is saved. So before checking the log file of the program, always run the program, because whenever you open the view log, sometimes it's open the log of some other program. So to make sure that you are opening the correct program log, better to run the schedule. So when you run the program, you press the schedule button, the program is scheduled, and then you go and again press F9 and then view log. In this view log tab, you can see here that it's first you get some general information regarding the program. Program statistics is shown, then it shows you error or warnings. So in error or warning section, you see that we have 82 out of sequence activities. So what we'll do here, we just copy this out of sequence activities from here and paste in Excel. Just press Ctrl C. Just open the Excel and paste the file from schedule log to Excel. Then you see here we copy here out of sequence activities and just we click on the leftmost corner and click any column. It will extend the column width to suit all the values, to fix all the values. Just select any one and just press Ctrl Shift down arrow. It will take you up to the end of the file and it will show you 81 files out of sequence. No, sorry, not 81, it should be 82. These activities, so Control Shift and down arrow, you can see here 82. So we have total 82 out of sequence activities. These activities we determine from the help of schedule log. Now we'll see how can we determine the out of sequence activities from with the use of filters. So let's open the filter. Okay, we come back in the Primavera again and go to filter. Once you go in the filter, just add new, give the name for your easier understanding out of sequence. Filter, and then you add here conditions. First condition is that our remaining early start is not equal to data date, and add that activity status is equal to in progress. Okay, once you do this one and apply the filter, it will, the filter is applied now. Just go in organize and remove this WBS and apply, and then go in Control A and Control C, then go to Excel again and add new sheet with the name of in progress activities. And we will paste copy here, paste here, and then we check the number of activities here. It shows you 59 activities out of sequence. Means that these are the 59 activities which in progress and out of sequence. Now some activities which already completed but still out of sequence. So in the retain logic technique, when even the activity is completed and its predecessor is not completed and its successor is not completed, so the activity which is completed, the impact of predecessor activity will come on the successor activity through the activity. And if, for example, we have activity A, B, and C, A and B and C all linked with the finish to start relationship, and A finish then B start and B finish then C start. So for example, out of sequence B finished, but A is not completed and C is in progress and not completed. So in this case, the delay of activity A will come in activity C through B. So this is the because of this written logic. So now what we'll do here is we'll go and see the impact of completed activities. So we go to filter again and open our filter out of sequence filter again and then modify it. And then this is we need to add one more condition here. So what we'll do, we just copy here and paste. Okay, then this activity status we take it up. Okay, then we copy here again, copy and paste it again, and then just and then out and remove this two. Now we see this is our main filter, which is all of the following. Okay, and this is our two, this all of the following, and we just make it here and just make it any of the following. In this case, you can see remaining early start is not equal to data date and activity status is equal to in progress. The next filter is early start. Just press E and we send the early start is not equal to data date and activity status equal to completed. In this case, in one filter, we use two filters, one for the in progress activities and one for the complete activities, one for the remaining early start and other is for the early start. Okay, once you do this one, we just go here, okay, and apply filter again here and just go again in the program, Control A to select all, Control C and go to Excel again and add one more sheet for in progress and complete it. So we select anywhere and paste again the values here and then we see that this will show you 146 activities. So why it is showing 146 activities is that because some activities which is as per condition is out of sequence and the reason is that it is the effect of the predecessor activities. So which is going to successor activities. So that's why our filter shows you more activities. In fact, it is less. So let's try to fix this out. We go to Primavera again. Okay, and you see here now if you go in the program and you run the program, press F9, you see that our data date is 12 August. So we see this is mainly because of this timing issues. So we go and show the time here. You see that a lot of activity here and just we show here the column for early start. Okay, now this is our early start column shown here and we see that some activities having 11 August and 8 o'clock. See this 8 o'clock in the morning. So in this case, our data date is not equal to the early date because our data, if you see our data date, if press F9, you see that our data date is 7 August, 12 o'clock. See here, it's 12 o'clock, but our time here is 8 o'clock. So in this case, this because of this time difference, our because of this time difference, it shows you more activities. Let's try to fix it out. We go again, click here and make the time as 8 a.m. Select and run schedule. Now in this case, see our data date is 7 August and actual date is its early start date is 7 August and 8 o'clock in the morning. So we schedule again here and just take this activity, copy this one and run the filter again, go all activities and again go and apply the filter. Then Control F. See, it's not shown because in this case our data date is equal to the early start date. So now we copy here all, Control A, Control C and go to Excel again and make another sheet and Control V. So in this case, if you go here and check it out, see how now we have 110 activities. So means that because of this issues of the dates and timing, it shows you more activities in the filter. So no worries. Just we have to determine that out of sequence activities when we are going to remove it, it will not impact anything. We can go and out of sequence activities have to remove in two ways. we can do with the use of Excel is which is very fast, and but some activities are those which we cannot do with the help of Excel, and we have to do it one by one each activity. So in my next video, I will try to explain how we'll eliminate this out of sequence phenomenon from the updated program to reach a realistic and authentic project completion, which will be agreed by the engineer and client. So till that time, thank you for your time and see you next video. Bye bye.